Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by granting Colab permission to access your GitHub account so notebooks can be opened and saved directly. Once done, open Colab and use file Open Notebook GitHub. This connects your workspace to repositories and allows searching. Search by username/repo or paste the exact notebook URL to avoid ambiguity. Make sure to pick the correct branch when you search, because the default may differ. This step creates a seamless bridge so you can pull and push notebooks without manual downloads. You now edit and execute code as usual. Install any missing packages with pip and run cells to validate changes locally in the Colab runtime. Once satisfied, choose File Save a Copy in GitHub to create a commit directly from Colab. In the dialog, write a clear commit message, choose the target branch, and confirm the notebook path. This ensures the commit lands where you expect. If you want incremental commits, repeat this process after meaningful changes so history stays clean and traceable. You should push edits to a feature branch and then open a pull request on GitHub to review and merge changes. This preserves main branch stability. If merge conflicts appear, resolve them in a local clone or use GitHub's web editor for simple fixes, then sync back to Colab as needed. If saving or syncing fails, check that Colab's OAuth scopes include repo access and verify repository permissions. Revoking and reauthorizing, Colab often clears stale tokens and fixes access errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.